And let's go ahead and display the blockchain. So we have two blocks. This is Genesis block, and this is the block that we mined here. And the previous block hash is referring to the Genesis block hash. And same for the other peers. And this one. So this one mined the block, and those two peers verified the mining. So they received the previous block hash, the timestamp, and the nonce from this peer. And they performed the hash and verified that it is smaller than the max bound. Same for this one. So let's go ahead and do some more mining. So let's see. This one was able to mine a block, and those two verified it. And now if we display the blockchain, we have 3 blocks. So this one, the previous block hash, is referring to the hash of this block, and same here, the previous block hash is referring to the hash of this block.